Good morning to one and all. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will be doing a new topic, living things and non-living things. I know you will be asking, ma'am, what are living things? And some of you will ask, what are non-living things? So wait, let me tell you. Children, take out page number 7575. And our today's chapter is living and non-living things. Now, let us read it out. We all grow. We all grow means we all humans, animals, birds, we all grow, right? Even the plants grow. We eat. We all eat also, right? We breathe. हम सांस लेते हैं. That is why we are called living things. Now, why are we called living things? Because we all grow, eat, and breathe, right? Like we humans, we all grow, है ना? हम सब बड़े होते हैं, हम सब खाते भी हैं, हम सब सांस भी लेते हैं, right? All those who eat, breathe and eat are living things. Like animals also grow, eat and breathe, even the birds, right? And the plants also. Plants also grow, right? So, all are living things. The things that do not grow and breathe are called non-living things. Now, as I told you that the things that grow, eat and breathe are living things, right? But the things that don't grow and don't breathe, they are non-living things, right? जो grow नहीं करती, breathe नहीं करती, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Non-living things, right? Clear? Living things are the things that breathe, eat and grow. Now, you know what do you mean by breathe? Breathe means सांस लेना, right? And grow means बड़े होना, and eat means you all know. We all eat food, right? So, the things that eat, breathe and grow are living things, right? I can give you some examples. Beta, you and me, we are living beings, right? Or you can say we are living things. But plants and animals are also living things. Plants also grow. Plants also eat. And plants also breathe, right? एक सीड पहले छोटी सी होती है, फिर वो बड़े, उससे प्लांट बनता है छोटा सा, फिर वो और बड़ा होता है, right? And slowly, one day it becomes a big tree, right? Now, tell me, have you ever seen a small puppy? आपने small puppy देखा है? Dog का baby है ना, उसको हम puppy बोलते हैं. Have you seen a puppy? Yes, of course you must have seen a puppy. बच्चे, जब पहले क्या होता है, वो छोटा सा पपी होता है, राइट? एंड स्लोली क्या होता है, वो ग्रो करता है, वो बड़ा हो जाता है. सो डॉग इज ऑल्सो अ लिविंग थिंग, राइट? सो birds also breathe, grow and eat. You all must have seen, है ना? So now you got it. The things that grow, breathe and eat are living things. See children, this is a bird. See how beautiful it is. A bird can grow, eat and as well as breathe. So birds are living things. See, this is a dog. A dog can run, move and walk. Right? A dog can bark too. ये bow bow भी करता है ना? So dog is a living thing. See beta, these are plants. Plants are the examples of living things. See, the plants can bear fruits. Can you tell me which fruit is this? Yes, this is a lemon. जिसको आप नींबू कहते हो. This is a lemon. So, and see, here is a beautiful flower on these plants. Plants bear flowers and fruits. Why? Because they are living. They can breathe, they can eat, and they can grow. Okay? Now, what are non-living things? Non-living things are the things that do not grow, do not breathe, and do not eat. Right? For example, the door of your bedroom is a non-living thing. The door doesn't breathe, doesn't eat and doesn't grow. Right? है ना? The other example is your eraser that you use. Your eraser is also a non-living thing. Your pencil, your geometry box, all are non-living things. Right? For a better clarity, let me show you the examples. See, this is a flower pot. So, flower pot cannot breathe, grow or eat. So, this is non-living. Okay? What is this? This is a tent. What can you see on the tent? Peppa Pig, yes. So, tent is also the example of non-living things. This is a photo frame. How beautiful it is, isn't it? Can you tell me a photo frame can eat or not? Photo frame खाना खा सकता है? No. So, this is also one of the example of the non-living things. This is a painting. We all hang the paintings on the wall. But the paintings cannot move or walk. So, it is also an example of non-living things. Children, write down date, day and heading of page 7575. Now, let us write down question number 1. First question is, what are living things? W-H-A-T, what? R, A-R-E-R, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Put a question mark here. What are living things? Now write down here A1, that is answer number 1. The things, T-H-E, the things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things that, T-H-A-T, that grow, G-R-O-W, grow, put a comma here, eat, E-A-T, eat, again put a comma here, breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, R-A-R-E are called. C-A-L-L-E-D, called living things. L-I-V-I-N-G, living things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Put a full stop here. So let us read once more. What are living things? The things that grow, eat, breathe are called living things. Right? Now beta, write down here question number 2. Now question number 2 is, what are non-living things? So start writing. W-H-A-T, what are, A-R-E-R, non, N-O-N, non, then a sleeping line, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Put a question mark here. Question number 2 is, what are non-living things? Now write down here A2. Now write down the, T-H-E, the, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, the things that, T-H-A-T, that, do not, D-O, do, not, N-O-T, not, grow, G-R-O-W, grow, and, A-N-D, and, breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, are, A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, non-living things, N-O-N, then a sleeping line, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Full stop. Let us read question number 2 once more. What are non-living things? The things that do not grow and breathe are called non-living things. Beta, now let us revise both the questions once more. First question is, what are living things? Answer is, the things that grow, eat, breathe are called living things. Next, what are non-living things? The things that do not grow and breathe are called non-living things. Dear children, you are to note down both the questions in your notebooks. Okay? Thank you, beta. Have a good day. Yes, children, now it's time to do the back exercise of the chapter Living and Non-Living Things. So let us start. Let us read out the question. Take the living things, cross out the non-living things. My dear children, you can see a picture here, right? In this picture, there are living things as well as non-living things, right? So, we are to find it out. So, let us start with the first one. See, this is a hut, right? Hut is living or non-living thing? Think It can grow, it can breathe, or it can eat? No. So, it's a non-living thing, right? So, put a cross here, right? Now, next, he is a boy. Boy is a living thing, है ना? Boy can eat, grow and breathe. So, put a tick here. Next one. This is a house made up of sand. What is sand? मिट्टी का बना हुआ है ये, right? So, it's non-living, right? So, put a cross here. Next. This is a bucket. Bucket is living or non-living? Yes, it's non-living. So, cross it. Next. This is a tree. Tree is a living thing? Yes, tree is a living thing. Why? Because it can grow. So, put a tick here. What is this? This is a boat. Boat is a living thing or a non-living thing? It's non-living, yes. So put a cross here. This is a fish. Fish is a living thing. Fish can breathe, fish can grow and eat. So put a tick here. Now beta, these are clouds. Can you see? Clouds are living or non-living? Non-living, yes, right. So put a cross here. Then see, here is a yacht. Yacht is non-living. So again put a cross here. So my dear children, do this back exercise in your book. Thank you. Bye-bye.